How to put symbols in Clash Royale name. If you want to make your Clash Royale name stand out with cool symbols, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. At first, find and copy a symbol from an online website, or you can use your mobile phone's symbol keyboard. Then you have to tap onto the three horizontal lines. Select Supercell ID from the pop-up. Tap onto the gear icon. In this interface, you have to tap on Change. In the name field, tap and paste the symbol next to your username. Some symbols may not be supported, so test the different ones. Then tap Continue to confirm, and your new Clash Royale name with symbol will be saved. And that's it. Now your Clash Royale name looks unique with symbols.